Check out what I made with Bill today. So, I also made this version. Just finished an interesting Skype call with Davidson. It's going to be cool. Thinking about getting a website redesigned, some marketing, interesting stuff. The coolest part about this is that I've never met this guy. He's in France. Connected with him on Instagram, and we had a Skype call the same day. Today is one of those days where I'm allowed to spit wisdom at you, because the truth is, put out positive vibes, they're going to come back. It really matters.